All right, let's get Haskell done. I've put in all the basic stuff that we need in our quote unquote tools. All right, so um, let's start. Let's see. I need we're going to need some more of these things. So, oops, not that. So we need, and I have to remember that tabs are bad. Okay, we need a score. New IO ref 0. We need number. New IO ref 0. We need scoot my keyboard over so I do this right. A guess. Come on, man. An attempt. And have we guessed it? Let's see. Okay, we're going to see the rules. Yep, display the rules. Else, I don't think we do anything. So now we need to pass our stuff into here. So we're going to go, let's see, score, number, guess, attempt, guessed. All right. So that will do that. And then we'll implement that when we get there. Let's see, display rules. Let's go ahead and do that. These are all put string lines. Let's see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is, you've got this. This is Bagels. This is Fermi. This is Pico. This is guess my number. And this is I will think. All right, done. We need this thing that we did before, display game over. That's going to take in a IO ref integer, and it's just an IO, just doesn't return anything, a void, if you will. Display game over, passing our number, that's going to equal do. Number val is going to be read IO ref of number. We're going to put string line. Whoops, I did it wrong. There we go. Oh well. That was 20 guesses. Put string line. My number was show number val that. Okay. All right, so now we need to create our digits. So create our number. So we're going to do create the number. I'm going to return that. Oops. Create the number equals just do, right? We're going to say digit 1 is going to be random Rio. Oops. Random Rio. 1 to 9. Then we need to, let's do this. Create digit 2, integer, IO integer. create digit 2 is going to take in digit 1, and it will equal do. And then if digit 1, well, come on, man. If digit, oh, wait, we got to do digit 2. We have to make the digit 2 random Rio. This can be 0 to 9. And then if digit 1 equals digit 2 or, oh no, or, that's it. Then, oh, we can go like this, I forgot. Then create digit 2, digit 1. That way we don't have to do do's. Else return digit 2. Because we can get in a buttload of trouble with digit 2's. I mean, with do's and then else do and else do. Apparently, you're supposed to reduce them. I don't know. Create digit 3. It's going to take an integer. Whoops. This isn't how you do it. It's going to take an integer, another integer, and IO integer. And then create digit 3. It's going to take digit 1 and digit 2. And that's going to do this. We're going to say digit 3 random Rio 0, 9. Now this is where we need the else. If digit 1 equals digit 3 or digit 2 equals digit 3, then we are going to do the same kind of thing. We're going to say then we're going to create digit 3, passing in digit 1 and digit 2. Else we're going to return digit 3. Okay. So now we need to come into here. If we're going to say digit 1, this is not going to be a random Rio. This is going to be create digit 2. We pass in digit 1. And then digit 3, we're going to do create digit 3. We're going to pass in digit 1 and digit 2. And then we're going to say let number val equals digit 1 times 100 plus digit 2 times 10 plus digit 3. And then we return number val. All right, that creates that. Get that out of there. All right. We need a guess number and check the guess. So let's do check guess. Check. Nope. Check guess. That is going to be, let's see, IO ref integer. IO ref integer. That's not how you do it. IO boolean. All right. And then check guess will be this. We are going to take our guess in and our number in, and that's going to equal do. We're going to say number val read IO ref of number. Guess val is going to read IO ref of guess. And then we're going to do this. Let tmp1 equal guess val. And then we're going to do this division of 100. We'll get an integer. Let tmp2 equal guess val. We're going to mod by 100. And then we're going to divide that by 10. And that'll give us that. And then let tmp3 equal guess val We will mod that by 10. Get the remainder there. Let digit 1 equal number val. Same thing. Div 100. And then let's just grab these because it's going to be the same thing. But this will be digit 2. And this will be digit 3. And this will be digit number, I'm sorry, number val. Number val. There we go. All right, now, if val1, not if val, let's say let val1 equal if tmp equals digits 1, then 1, else if tmp1 equals digit 2, or tmp1 equals digit 3, then 2, otherwise 0, right? Very simple. We're going to assign into our values using this, like, this way we don't have to do all those, nested if-elses. Here's a 2, here's a 3. This is going to be 1 and 3, 2, 1 and 2, right? This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. This is going to be 3. This is going to be 1 and 3 and 2. And there it is. We didn't make any mistakes, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. That's right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. Wait. This should be. There was a mistake. They should be these guys. There's no such thing as TMP. All right. Let's see now. So now we got to see if it equals 1, 1, 1, right? So if val 1 equals 1, and val 2 equals 2, and val 3 equals 1, right? Then we are going to return true. Else, we're going to do a bunch of stuff. If val 1 equals 0, and val 2 equals 0, and val 3 equals 0, then we're going to put string line bagels. Otherwise, we're going to do a bunch of stuff. And we're going to do a big concatenation here. This is something I had to test several times to really get it to work, because all these nested if-else do's were a nightmare to try to understand how to get this. So I ended up figuring this out. We're going to concatenate. Now we're going to do a little inline magic here. Then we're going to say Fermi with a space. Otherwise, if val 1 equals 2, then we're going to turn this into pico with a space. Else, we're not going to put anything. Let's see. I got a tab in. Let's go to like here, make it pretty. If val 2 equals 1, then we put Fermi with a space. Otherwise, if val 2 equals 2, then we put pico with a space. Otherwise, we do nothing. And then if val 3, whoops, you suck, equals 1, then we say Fermi without a space, right? Else, if val 3 equals 2, then we say pico without a space. Otherwise, we say nothing, right? And then we close this off, and then all that's going to get evaluated, going to concatenate that, evaluate that into print out, and stick it out in print string. Excuse me. And then otherwise, we got to go here, and no matter what, return false, right? All right, I have a bunch of returns for some reason. Okay, one more. Okay. Ask for guess. Ask for guess. IORef integer, which is going to be our attempt, and return our guess. Ask for guess, attempt, and so we're going to there we go. Attempt val is going to be read that attempt, and then we're going to put string line. We need a $sign in front of that. Guess number, show attempt val, and then we say read line, and then we're going to say if guess is less than 0. Come on, man. Then we're going to do this. We're going to put string line. Please guess a non-negative number. And then we're going to ask for guess with the attempt again. Else, if guess is less than 100 or guess is greater than 999, then we're going to 10. Then we're going to do this. We're going to put string line. Please guess a number between 100 and 999. Ask for guess, attempt. And then otherwise, what do? We're just going to say else do. We're going to return our guess. Done. Where's my mouse? All right. So now we need to, I think we've done everything. So now we need to do our running loop. So let's see, running val, we got that already in place. If running then do, okay, the first thing we need to do is set attempt to 1, right? Let's set, oh, do we already have game over? Oh no, I forgot that. Let's set game over to false. There we go. Well, I need to remember to put this into my little copy and paste for template. All right. So now what are we doing? We need to get our number, create the number. There we go. And then we're going to write that number, val, into our number. And then we're going to put string line. We're going to say, okay, I have a number in mind. And now we got to call our game loop. So now we need to pass some stuff into this that we didn't do. So if we go back to what we thought up here, score number, attempt, guessed. So if we come back down to, where is it? Here. Okay, so now we just have one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 integers and another bool, right? So we have IO ref integer. So that's score. Number, guess, attempt, guessed. This is going to be a bool. All right. Okay, we need to pass those into here. So we need to go, did I just copy and paste that? Oh no, I did the other thing. Score, number, guess, attempt, guessed. So that means we need to grab the same stuff here. And let's go here. And then here. There. Running loop there. Do we ever go back to this? Game loop. Okay, we don't do it yet, but we will need it because we'll have to come in here again. Okay, so where are we now? Else running is over, so we need to print out our score. So we're going to say score val that's going to be read IO ref of our score. And then we're going to put string line A show score val point bagels buff. And then we're going to put string line hope you had fun. Hope you had fun. Bye. All right, that should be the running loop done. So now we need to go into the game loop. So in the game loop, in this do, we're going to do a guess val. That's going to be ask for guess, passing the attempt. We're going to write that back into guess. Yep. All right. Then we're going to check that guess. So we're going to say guessed val is going to be check guess, passing our guess and our number. And then if guessed val, then we're going to do this. We're going to say put string line, you got it, you got it. We're going to modify IO ref. We're going to put that to score. So we say S such that S is increased by 1. And then we're going to write IO ref, game over, true. And then this is where we'll call game loop again. So let's just do this. We don't have to type it and screw up. And we're going to just jump to the top. And then that'll break out of the game loop val. Now, we do have another thing. Else, oops, that's how I spell it. Else, we're going to modify, there we go, attempt. And we're going to say A such that A increases by 1. Attempt val is going to be read IO ref of attempt. And then if attempt val is greater than 20, then we're going to do this. We're going to display game over. There are 2 of them. And then we are going to pass in the number. And then we're going to write IO ref game over to be true. Otherwise, we're going to do this. We're going to just jump into this. Do I still have it saved? Good. Okay, we're just going to jump back, right? Then if we come out of here, we have to do an else here. So let's do an else do. This will be put line string game over. And then we're going to do running val. Running val, that is going to equal ask to play again, right? Oh, we already have it. Oops. Yep, that's right. That's right. Perfect. All right. Then ask. Okay, the rest I think is done, right? Because that's ask question. Let's see again. Create digit, display game over, display rules. I don't know. I think we're done. Let me save this. Oh, we got to do Control H /T. Or already got it in there. Replace all. Save it. All right. Pull this over here and let's compile this. Cable build bagels. Oh, capital B. Wow. There we go. Whoop. All right. So we got a problem here. 119. Where's 119? 119. Oh, look at that. Copy pasta problems. All right. Let's go again. Display game over is wrong. So where's display game over? 35. 35. Um, oh, I see. That's why I thought there were two. That's funny. Uh, that's something to remember. All right, so we have something problem here. Um, variable not in scope. Okay, so where is that? That is 59. 55. Oh, that should be 2. Not very smart. These are warnings, so we don't care. It built it. Great, let's run it. Bagels, exe. We want to see the rules. Wow. Yes, let's see the rules. I will think of a 3 digit. That looks good. Looks good. Got 20. Okay. 111, 222, 333, 444. Maybe my thing's. Oh, okay, it's working. Ave 666, 777. All right, so it is 675. 675. Oh, what? Oh, I'm sorry. 4. 674. 674. I got it. Do I want to play again? Yes. 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. Ooh, it's a 0. Okay, so 630, 630. No. Well, that's it in Haskell. 2-point bagels buff. That worked. Hope you had fun. Bye. All right, on to whatever's next.